Okay, I just figure out that, so the fan sits like this inside, it blows the air like this towards this side, and see, now it is stuck. Okay, if I press this both the sides here and here with my fingers like this, you see it can rotate. It can rotate. That means if I press from both the sides, the gap is maintained. See, if I press, it's free. See, but if I don't press, it's stuck. I got no idea why this can happen, and what I guess, first of all, this fan looks like there's no feedback for the RPM. So what can happen is, the fan, if runs on slow speed or something, it will rotate, and if it is got stuck due to some issue, it will heat up. And as this heats, but there is no sign of any heating here, due to the heat, or due to the heat of the radio, the PA transistors, this can't deform with heat. Plastic can deform with heat. So absolutely shocking. I don't know whether I have to replace this or I have to use a packing on both sides while this sits like this in the gap. If I put packing something on both the sides, then it will get freed. But the purpose of this being loosely held is to stop the purpose of this soft cushion here, this thing, is to keep it slightly suspended and not tightly fitted to the casing, the aluminum frame of the radio, just to keep it loose but still in its place, so that the vibration of the motor doesn't transfer to the frame and it doesn't create that noise, that humming noise. I'm surprised this is just 2-wire. It is meant for 3-wire. There's a third feedback, but I don't know. We have to see what we can do now.